What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another new video. So guys, I have decided to do a what I wear in a week video. So basically I'll be showing you guys all the outfits that I wear, and I'll also probably show you guys what I get up to in the week. So today is Monday. I have a couple of errands to run. I'm actually working from home, but I still have to go out. So I'm going to show you guys my outfit of the day, and I might vlog a little bit, like, you know, my activities for the day. But now I actually have to go to Home Affairs, and when I come back, I have to obviously work, and then I have to go to the gym. I don't have to, I'm going to go to the gym. So you guys, let me show you guys what my outfit of the day is. It is a Monday today, and I'll show you guys outfits from today all the way to Sunday. So outfits for the next 7 days. So guys, my outfit of the day, I'm wearing this top that I got from Mango, I think last year or the year before last, and I'm wearing these pants which are also from Mango. They are super comfortable. They've got, like, you know, this elastic thing here. I love them so much. They're so comfortable, and the silhouette is just so stunning. And I'm wearing my slides from, these are from H&M as well. And I think I'm going to throw on a blazer because it's been quite chilly because it's raining a lot. So let me look for a blazer and I will be out. So I am wearing this blazer that I got from Zara. I love it so much, and it is actually super warm. So I'm wearing this blazer and I'm carrying my Coach Willow bucket bag. So yeah guys, this is day one outfit of the day. I will see you guys later. Morning guys, it is Tuesday. My outfit of the day is, I'm wearing this a layover that I got from Zara. I'm wearing a t-shirt. Well, it's not a t-shirt actually. It's a long sleeve top, very warm, especially, like, you know, perfect for, like, you know, days where it's actually raining or there's a little bit of a breeze. I got this from Queen's Park, and I'm wearing my favorite pair of pants, one of my favorites. These pants are from Mango, and I've decided to go with these mules from Forever New. So I'm going into the office today. And yeah guys, I will see you later. Oh, and guys, I forgot to show you guys the bag that I'm carrying. It's the Coach bag again. Guys, I'm obsessed with this bag. Like, I take this bag everywhere, especially when I go into the office. It doesn't have, like, you know, any logos, like there's no monogram logo. It's very understated, and I just love that about it. What's up guys, welcome back to another day of vlogging. It is Wednesday today, guys. I've been working all day. No, my department is closing on Friday, so like we only have basically a day because tomorrow is a holiday, so I won't be working. So I only have basically today and Friday to, you know, wrap up all my work. So guys, I've been working all day. Like I said, I only went out because I needed to pass by Clicks just to get medication, my allergy medication, and I also passed by H&M because I needed to exchange these loungewear shorts that I bought. I will show them to you guys shortly. And right now guys, I'm just going to hit the gym. I've got my, do you see I have my natural hair on now? I'm wearing my natural hair, and I just did, like, you know, the two cute buns. So I'm going to hit the gym. This is my gym fit. I'm wearing this top that I got from, it's Nike, from Nike in Woodmead at the outlet. It was very inexpensive actually. And I'm wearing these leggings. I also got them from Nike in Woodmead, also discounted. It's, you know, that Woodmead outlet is just, like, you know, a good place to buy, like, you know, gym stuff on a discount. So yeah guys, let's go to the gym. Oh yes guys, the shorts that I got from H&M, these are just, like, you know, this is just loungewear. I actually love loungewear. They're just so easy to wear around the house. These actually come, like, you know, with matching tops as well. I also got them in white, and I think they have them in yellow as well. So I only went for both white and the gray color. I didn't buy the matching tops because, I don't know, I didn't like them. They were just, you know, they sit funny on me. Even the smaller size just still sits funny on me. So I just decided to just buy the shorts, and I'll probably just wear them around the house with, like, you know, old tops Just got to the gym. I've got a spinning class right now at 5 o'clock. I've been very consistent this week, guys. I'm actually proud of myself. Super, super proud. I am having a sea breeze smoothie. And I'm not going to pass by Diskim to get a couple of things. Morning, guys. It is Thursday today. I woke up so tired. I wanted to go to the gym, but I couldn't. Like, my body just couldn't move. My body is very sore right now. Excuse me. My body is very sore right now. I think it's from yesterday's session. So anyway, guys, today I am getting my hair done. So I'm going to see the lady that's doing my hair. She said I should be there by 8:30. It is 8:10 right now, and I'm just going to quickly rush out, grab some food on the way, and get to her house. So guys, I'm at Majuli's house. I'm getting my hair done. There. Majuli, say hi. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
So guys, Blessing, Majuli's daughter, works for this company in Midrand, right? And what you guys specialize in? Like, vegan food?
Vegan food. So we have like, they call them superfoods.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so show them what you have here. So Blessing, guys, like, is gifting all these items here. So show them, what is this?
So this is moringa pasta. So the ingredients are actually moringa, so that hence the color.
Yeah, it's actually greenish,
it's
right?
Greenish, yes.
So we have this, and then we have
sorghum grain. So I heard you can actually make porridge by grinding it.
Yeah, so you can actually put this, like, the seeds in a blender, blend them so that, they become powdery, I believe, and then you can actually make soft porridge. I understand that, this is how you would make it. And then we have
moringa powder. So for all of you guys who want, be healthy, you can make shakes with this, like your greens. You can just add that in your shakes.
Okay, perfect. And then we have
rolled cocoa. So if you're like a baker, you can mix it in your cakes, whatever it is that you make with.
Cool. And then there's, what are these, like biscuits?
They actually just like snacks, like little snack.
Okay.
Yeah, tiger nut or snack.
Okay. Healthy as well, right?
Yeah, very healthy. The taste is very subtle. It's sweet but not too sweet.
And then
these are the bicep drinks.
Okay, but how different are they from, like, your normal drinks?
It's made from the Rizal leaves.
What are Rizal leaves?
These other leaves that they're red in color, like dark maroonish red.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
those are the snack zesty. It's made from baobab and mango.
Like baobab tree.
The baobab, yeah.
Okay, because I know the baobab tree. So I'm going to try this now.
Yes,
okay, wait, let's see what it looks like.
Oh my gosh, okay.
So I'm taking all these home, eh?
Yeah, you are. Definitely.
Guys, imagine getting your hair done and taking some goodies as you leave.
Look at it. Orangey.
The thing is, I love mango. So anything with mango, I think I'm gonna.
Can you taste the mango? Because I know you can actually taste the mango. Is it good?
This actually tastes nice.
All right, yummy. I love that too.
Okay, guys, let me continue my hand.
Alrighty.
Guys, I am back from getting my hair done. This is what it looks like. I'm super late, guys. Anyway, let me show you a quick outfit. So I'm wearing this shirt that I got from Mango, Zara shoes, and denims. And then I'm carrying this back. This is what my hair looks like, guys. I don't know if I really like it. I don't know. It's something new. It's totally different from, what I usually, get done, from what I'm used to. So I don't know. I don't know. I'll see how I feel about it tomorrow. Anyway, guys, let's go out for late lunch. I am in Melrose Arc. I'm having dinner. I'm having late lunch at Paul's. Outfit of the day. Guys, my food is here. I am having lamb chops. Haven't had these in a while. I'm having this with chips and a side salad. Tini is not having anything because
I went out earlier, so I'm just gonna have dessert.
Yeah, so she's just gonna have dessert, and we're gonna wash the food down with chai lattes. What's up, guys? It is Friday today. Gosh, I'm not having the best of days. We have no power, and the power has been gone since last night at 11 o'clock. So I'm just going to go to News Cafe and get some work done from there. Both my laptops are just dying on me, so I can't even work from the house. So I'm just quickly going to go to News Cafe, have breakfast, work from there, and then I'm going to go into Sandton. I have a couple of things to buy, and later on I'm going to Linda's friend. You guys know my friend Linda. I've featured her on this channel quite a few times. So she has moved into a new place, and so I'm just going to head over there, to see her. We are certainly popping champagne today because we're celebrating this new move. Oh, and guys, my outfit of the day is, that purple 3-piece set that I got from Fashion Nova. So yeah, I'll just put it in here because the point of this whole video is obviously to show you guys what I wear in a week. Okay, prices, let's start here.
Okay. So on prawns with two-tone leather, we're looking at 29,700.
Okay.
Monogram, we're looking at 24,200.
Okay.
Epi leather and plain on prawns, 27,500.
Okay, perfect. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning. I'm about to head out to the gym, and I have a couple of things to do. I'll probably just vlog some of my activities throughout the day. What's up, guys? It is day 7. It's Sunday today, and I am off to church. Guys, this hair, I don't know, like, it just feels funny. I don't know. I don't think I really like it. I don't know, it looks weird. Just looks weird. Anyway, so this is my outfit of the day. This is a dress that I got from Shein. You might have seen it in my Shein haul. It's just, I love the silhouette. It looks very nice, but when you get very close, you'll certainly see that the threading on the side is it's a cheap threading. I love these voluminous sleeves that it has. Okay, I think this looks much better. So this I got from Zara. You guys know this, and these are my oldies, also from Zara. There was a year where I wore these non-stop. So yeah, guys, this is my outfit of the day, and guys, we don't have power, so after this we're actually going to check into probably an Airbnb just for the day because we haven't had power like in the last 24 hours. It's really crazy. So yeah, see you guys later. Guys, I am super excited. I got a camera finally. Oh gosh, so I'm just going to, I don't know, I'll probably unbox this in the next video. Yeah, okay guys, so this is what the room looks like. To be honest, it's so small. I don't like it. I already sent my hubby a video of this place, and he's like, nope, certainly get a bigger one. And guys, there's no door here. Like, imagine, there is no door here. So I have already asked the manager to find something bigger for us, and I'm just waiting for him to show me, to come up to fetch me so that he can show me the other options that they have. In as much as, guys, we're just staying here for like probably one night, we're hoping that by tomorrow we'd have power at home, but you still want to be comfortable, you know what I mean? So yeah, guys, but I love this mirror though. Look at this mirror, guys, like this full length mirror. It's stunning. That's the only thing that I love about this place. Okay guys, so they gave me like they gave us like a bigger room. Just a couple of 100 rands more. So this one comes with a dishwasher. Okay, there's a microwave. I think there's like it's a proper, like, you know, apartment suite with a proper refrigerator. So let's see in here. Here it's just a wardrobe, and then there's also a dish. There's also a washing machine. So this is the dining area. Let me just give you guys, like, you know, the view of the entire place. It's actually stunning. This one has a door. You guys see, like, there's this door in the toilet. However, the bed is very tiny. Very tiny, but it's alright. Oh, gosh, nearly tripped. But it's alright. I think it's much better. Okay, let's go out. So we're here. This is actually very nice, right? And then we have the view. We have the view. Okay, so I'm now at the rooftop. They have this infinity pool. It would actually be nice, you know, if it was a hot day. Unfortunately, it's super cold in Joburg.